I would say probably two pivotal moments. I hadn't come back. I'm from the Philippines originally, and I emigrated when I was really young, around 4 years old. And about 36, 37 years later, I finally was able to get back home. And when I landed in Manila, it was polluted, it was overpopulated, and I loved it. I felt, because immigrating to Canada, there was a bit of a displacement. But when I got there, I did feel like home, and I could hear the people speaking the language and a lot of people that looked like me. And, it was really strange to see all these, you could tell a Caucasian person because they towered over all of us. You just see, oh yeah, they're Caucasian, and then everybody else is like, these short little brown people. That was one of my pivotal moments. And I think the other pivotal moment was a show called M. Butterfly. And briefly, it's a play and a love story about this French diplomat who falls in love with this Peking opera diva who actually, after living together for 20 years, finds out it's a guy. And when it changed for me is when 3/4 of the play, I play a woman, convincingly have to play a woman. So I had to wear for a week this corset with the weighted breasts just so I know how it felt, and shave my legs and do the makeup and pluck my eyebrows. Life changer, total life changer, to see what the image of a woman is supposed to be, or the stereotypical image of a woman is supposed to be, and the allure and the beauty of that. And then having to, 3/4 of the play, then having to strip all of that away and become a man again. So that's why I have this deep respect for women and what women do. And, again, yay to the women!